Hi, welcome back to Brick Bros. We are building the red holiday camper van and the red barn. I got these gifts for Valentine's Day, and hopefully we get to place them in our Lego City. Maybe we could get a little sneak peek at what's gonna happen in the next video, or even in this video. Okay, let's start unboxing this, camper. Okay, so it has these holes. This van comes with around 385 pieces. Now that's pretty good for a van camper. We have a campsite, so this will be perfect for it. Okay. We'll probably have stickers, an instruction manual, and we will have 4 backs to take apart and build them. Alright, bag 1, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So far, this is what it looks like, and our little minifigure with her guitar and little campfire. This is the start of the RV. It's pretty big, and we're on to bag 2. Just watching a little video while I do this, so we'll be back with you in a bit. Here it is, all done. A holiday camper van. What I don't like is how white it is would have liked some details on that, but other than that, I like the prints of the stickers. And inside, you just take this roof off. A whole little bed and table and bathroom. Door slides. And that door opens. There you guys have it. And it comes with these two minifigures. A dad with his daughter or son and his wife. And a little campfire. So yeah. Next is the barn.